Hi Gunnar, my friends, Will here over at XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So my first live trade video of 2019. And today's video I wanted to show you with you a quick day trade example using the MacBot system, the FXA's MacBot Pro system. Okay, so it's on the Euro JPY. Now what I look for is, again, you should also know from if you've went through my Udemy course or previous videos, I look for zones inside zones. So you can see we're at a daily zone here. Today we've just entered a daily zone. You know it's a huge daily zone, and we have a 4-hour zone, just this kind of area here, 4-hour zone within the daily. So what I then do, I really load the MacBot. We'll just go to Expert Advisors, and since we've got we'll put in the stop loss, take profits. You can see underneath the 4-hour zone. My signal time frame, so the 30-minute, 1 hour and 4 hour for this day trade, it's been activated. You can see we actually got the divergence on the 30-minute here, down here, 30-minute and the 1 hour. So there's one signal because we've got a program that will only take one signal, and it's been rallying quite nicely from the entry. So my target is way up here, but I'll watch it closely manually and maybe close it around here at the end of the day. But you can see it's how it works. You can see if we zoom in, it is a robot trade. If any is trade EA, you know that these remarks tell you what type of trade it is. It's an automated trade. All I did was simply log in to my VPS server and simply do my analysis. Is there a daily zone? Yes. Is there a 4-hour inside the daily? Yes. Load the MacBot and let it do the rest. So it's pretty simple, guys. To access the MacBot system or any questions you have about it, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@fxace.com or add me in Skype at william.simpson20. It's a very, very powerful, unique price action system. 95% of it is automated. You simply just have to follow a little bit of a tiny little bit, but it's so easy that a 10-year-old could really follow it. So again, guys, I'll keep you updated with this Euro JPY trade. It's going well so far, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to access the system, click the link below, and I shall speak to you soon. Will over to fxace.com.